Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no shoes in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, GBPUSD analysis today. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are bullish, clear. So coming back to daily, this candle will probably close above the EMA and also might eat this or break this previous high. Okay. So yesterday I told you this high will be surely taken, which has just happened. I'm a fucking idiot to give so much money for free. Okay. If you go and watch my yesterday's video, like maybe 12 hours ago, okay, I told you on this candle that we will surely take down this high, which has just happened already, I guess. Okay, so yeah, I'm a fool to give out this kind of money for free. So I'm a fucking idiot. Okay, so I'll not talk much because I end up giving so much money for free. This is a bullish breakout, so let's cut the crap. I'm not gonna tell you, because you people are thankless. You people are so retarded. You think you are superhuman, but you're not. And for example, you see, one I wanna, I wanna make something very, very clear. When people like me, not just me, people who have the knowledge, okay, when they're making a video, it's not for themselves. Okay, so I am not doing this analysis for myself. It's not like I have to come and watch my own video or I have to tell myself. I already know what is going to happen. Okay, I'm the trader. So these videos are for those people, public, who are watching these videos. Okay, and if your ego is too much that if you will not subscribe and you will not like this video, then whose loss it, whose loss it is? Is it my loss? I'm not here to become a YouTuber. I'm a trader. I'm a full-time trader. Okay, I have the time because I only trade daily charts. That is why I can come and make YouTube videos. If I was trading 1 hour chart or maybe 30 minutes, I would not have time because I will be glued to my screen. Okay, but because I only trade daily chart, that means I don't have to look at the chart all the time. That's why I have time. So when I have time, it's up to me and that I come and record these videos. Okay, it doesn't mean that I owe you anything. But on the other end, if you have seen my yesterday's video or last couple of days videos, you have surely made some money. Okay, so you owe me, I owe you nothing. Now in return, if you can't even fucking subscribe or you can't even like my videos, it's you who's gonna lose. Okay, so if your ego is too much, mine is more than you. because I am the creator, not you. You are the consumer. Okay, I'm giving you the content. It's not just the content. It involves money. It's not a funny fucking video. Okay, you're not watching some entertainment travel fucking videos. Okay, it involves money. You're making money from my videos. Okay, so if your ego is too much that you will not subscribe, you will not like, then keep it in your ass. I don't need your subscription or this likes. Okay, it's only that I have to say this because more and more people can make money using my videos, or at least can get the right analysis. Okay, so I do not need your money. Okay, and I also am not that person who wants to get million subscribers on YouTube. I give shit to social media. I don't have Instagram, I don't have TikTok, I don't have any other social media apps, and I only have YouTube because I treat YouTube as a content based platform where you can share your knowledge. Okay, otherwise I don't give a shit to any social media. Okay, so you will not see me anything on Instagram or any other social media app. So I'm only using YouTube just because this is a platform where you can share good content as well. Okay, and it's up to me for how long I will do this, because I told you, if your ego is too much, not bigger than mine. Okay, so you are in my debt, I'm not in your debt. So again, why am I saying all this? Because if you go and watch my last couple of videos on Euro USD, GBP USD, and if you followed me, then you made money. If you traded with my knowledge, you made money. Okay, so leave your ego aside, otherwise you will be left for nothing. So again, I understand that not everybody can. We are humans. Okay, so again, human ego will come in between. Some people will dislike this video. It's fine. You like or dislike, it's fine. Okay, by the end of the day, I don't need you. All right, you probably need me or my content or my knowledge, but I don't need you. Okay, because I'm the person who has created even a robot using my own knowledge. Okay, so GBPUSD, you know what to do. I have told you in a couple of videos. We are gonna go up, and I'm not gonna tell you that, because people are thankless. People are thankless. They just get everything for free, and they don't even care about subscribe, and nobody's dying for you subscribe and like. Let me get this clear. I'm not dying for you like and subscribe. The only reason is I don't have any motivation to do this. If let's say I get 50 people watch my video, out of 50 people I get only 4 likes. So do you think I'm an idiot? Okay, I mean, again, let me clarify. I'm not dying for your likes because I am the source of the knowledge. I have the knowledge. I can make money in the back end. YouTube is nothing for me. Okay, let's cut this video short now. So if somebody like me can create a robot here with his knowledge, then he or she doesn't need you. Okay, so if you need us, or if you need me, if you, for example, if you want to know if TubeCore, okay, I'm gonna go long, but when exactly do I exit, then I'm not going to tell you for free. It's enough is enough. Okay, you go and pay and join premium signals, and then I'll tell you everything. So subscribe, like, if your ego is not that much. Join a video telegram for sure, and I'll see you in my next video. So then take care.